Hi guys. Good morning.
We're in a boat.
Yeah, this is her dad's boat. So basically, we had a sleepover, and I guess it's kind of like a vlog if you want
type thing.
I've done that.
Whatever you want to call it.
So the garage isn't really, I don't know, like
Prepared for videos.
for videos anymore. So I guess we'll be doing most of our videos
In a boat.
in a boat. Yeah, just
Either
get used to it.
Either that or in my living room.
Yep.
But yeah.
So it's a bit awkward.
Yeah.
It's like, I feel pretty awkward right now. Oh yeah, let's explain. I'm gonna explain why I have this on. I like flowers, if you didn't know. Most people probably know, but I like flowers. And I like flowers.
This thing is fun to steer.
It's not even moving.
I don't care. This is like
Feel
this is a
tall
cool
now.
steering wheel. It feels cool.
Feel tall.
Watch, steer.
I'm driving. I know how to drive now. Woo! So let's just basically do a vlog.
Yeah.
Let's walk around, Anyssa. I'm trying to get out. I might have some trouble getting out because
It's not that hard. Here,
I
take
got
it.
out. Woo! Hi. Shoot, I can't get out this way. Oh no, it's so dark now. What just happened?
I don't want to smell it.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Hi.
Hello, world.
Here you go. Like bomb master.
All right.
You want to go to your pool?
I don't have a key.
Okay. Now you'll sit outside your pool.
Hey, we're gonna go sit outside my pool.
You're
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, also she straightened my hair, so
I straightened her hair.
now. I have one thing to say, dye it blonde.
And she didn't.
I didn't, so please just stop asking. Her hair's like naturally brown to blonde.
She has like natural highlights.
Yes.
Hey.
But sometimes I hate it.
I have natural highlights too, if you couldn't notice.
Yeah, they're natural. They're pink. And
They're naturally magenta.
magenta.
Oh, wow. All right, well, the gate was open, so.
Don't tell me we're locked in here now.
We're locked in here now. Nice, Hannah. Nice.
I didn't do it.
Well, we're locked in. Text Gigi. She has a key.
She probably is, you know.
No, she's not.
Shit, my mom's coming.
And we're locked in. Text Gigi, hurry.
Can't find her. Where is she? Oh.
It's my pool. Hot tub.
Someone help us, please. Please, someone help us.
If you just so happen to have a key to my pool, can you, like, come help us here?
We could have climbed over the fence.
No, we can't, Hannah.
Yeah, we could.
Oh,
it won't send.
well, isn't that just wonderful?
Yeah. Now I'm locked in here and I have to leave in 5 minutes, so.
Goody.
Don't you ever say goody.
Okay, Hannah. We're gonna jump over the gate right here.
Oh, can we go swimming next time, Anyssa?
Yeah.
Can we go to swimming pool? I have an underwater camera case. No, I have an underwater iPhone case. Like you put the iPhone in the bag.
All right.
We're gonna jump the fence.
We're gonna try.
Our first attempt. This is Anissa's first
No, I'm
attempt.
not gonna do this. I can't do this. Hannah, you try.
Oh yeah, I'll do it. Can you hold my phone, please?
Yeah. All right. Well, here we go. Really?
Oh, I'm scared. I feel like I'm gonna hit my. Oh, this isn't stable.
Yeah, don't do that. Okay, just have you texted Gigi?
I did. What did it say? Help! Someone please help. Does anyone have the key? It's not sending.
Shit. Okay, well,
Someone please help
we're
us.
fucked.
Please. Can you call George?
He doesn't have the key either.
Who has the key?
I don't know. My parents lost the key.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Now I know next time. Maybe that gate's open. Maybe something open.
There is no gate. Hannah, that's not a gate. That's a bathroom.
Hey, she's home.
She is?
Can you help us get out
Of the pool.
of the pool? We are stuck. So, yeah, basically we're gonna end this video now. Bye. Bye.